Hi everybody, my name is Lila and I am the founder and creator of the Mis Mini Maravillas Spanish subscription box. And today I wanted to give you a little bit of insight of what inspired me to come up with this idea. Like you, I have been on this journey for many years. My kids range from ages 17 to 26. So yeah, I have been through there. I've been in your shoes. I've been through the frustration, through the aggravation, through the tantrums, through trying to speak to your child in Spanish and they answer in English, trying to pull out the books and read to them in Spanish and they have no interest, pulling out the flashcards and they don't want to even learn any more about it. I know, I've been there. And you know what? It's very, very frustrating as a parent because you know you're trying to give them a gift. It's not a chore, it's a gift you're giving them. The gift of speaking Spanish, right? Because we know that as adults, this is going to open so many doors for them. But the good news is that I have found the magic secret of raising bilingual children. Yes, my 4 daughters are completely bilingual, and we're working on my 5-year-old that is my granddaughter, and she's working on it, and we are having so much fun. And now with our special box, it makes it so much easier. So the secret to this box, the way it works is we use our 5 senses. That's what makes the experience so memorable. So when they're unboxing their box each month, and they're gonna come in different sizes. This is a little box. We have bigger boxes like the one back here in the corner. We'll have different sizes depending on the activity. But for instance, if they were to get the little puppy daycare or puppy rescue, like this box that you see back here, with the little seesaw and the little puppies and all these little cute little animals, the maestra might say, ¿Puedes encontrar el gatito gris que está lastimado? Your son or daughter will find the little kitty cat, and then the maestra is going to incorporate this with stories or maybe situations she's been in, and she's going to ask a lot of questions to your son or daughter. Like, do you have any pets at your home? What are your pets' names? Do you have any dogs? Do you have any cats? Or what kind of pets do you have? And so this is how we incorporate the senses. They're feeling the little animal, they're speaking to the maestra, they're listening. And some of these little things are like little squishy little things like this little guy. And then we're also going to have activities where we're working with slime, and they're going to be digging in the slime and feeling the slime, and the maestra is going to ask, what does the slime feel like? What does it smell like? Because they're going to have to find different things inside the slime, and all these fun activities like that. We're also going to have activities where they might be doing science projects or art activities or things like that. So every month they're going to have something new, and when they pull out their little box to play for weeks and months to come, they're going to be playing in Spanish just like they did with their maestra and their new friend. So I want to encourage you to hurry up and sign up below at the misminimaravillas.com/waitlist, because we want to let you know when we open our doors for our founding member launch, because we're only taking a select few members to start with, and I want you to be one of them, because we're going to have an early bird pricing that's going to be grandfathered in for the lifetime of your subscription, because when we reopen our doors, the price will go up. So please sign up now for the wait list, and I can't wait to see you there, because you know what? It does take a village to raise these bilingual kids, and I want to be a part of your village. Let me help you out with the Mis Mini Maravillas subscription box. Hurry up, sign up today. Nos vemos. Adiós.